All right, we're going to take a look at the rule structure here. And we're going to modify the local.rules with this script here. Alert ICMP any, search for some packets. The question is asking us to write a rule filter for IP ID 35369 and run it against the given PCAP file. What is the request name of the detected packet? And then it tells us to run it against the local.rules task 9 PCAP. So we'll go ahead and switch to the Linux terminal, and we will sudo nano into the local rule so we can begin changing it. Here's the local rules, and as mentioned previously, we're going to go ahead and implement the alert. Be searching for ICMP traffic, run it with the local rules against task 9, and it begins to initialize. Looks like we have a missing value here. Let's go ahead and check again. We'll add the second any. We will rerun the snort, and then we're able to initialize and analyze some traffic. It's asking us what is the request name of the detected packet. Answer is going to be timestamp. Timestamp request. It's now asking us to create a rule filter packets with SYN flag and run it against a given PCAP. What is the number of detected packets? All right, let's go ahead and use the SYN flag parameter. We kind of skipped over the answer to the first question. Basically, ls, once we run the script, and cat the alert that we use, that we were implementing. And here you can see the ICMP TTL, followed by the type, the ID, sequence, and the timestamp request, which was the answer. All right, now let's filter for SYN. We'll sudo nano into the local.rules again. Here we can see the non-payload detection rule options. We already went over ID. Now we're doing flags, filtering TCP flags, SYN flag. Also filter by payloads, packet size, and same IP. Run it against the Task 9 PCAP is the number of detected packets. Unknown rule option flag. All right. Still getting the same error. We forgot to add the S on flags, so let's make that flag up. Flags. Run it against task 9, initializes, and the answer is 1. 1 detected alert. Next question. Clear the previous log and alarm files and deactivate and comment out the old rule. Write a rule to filter packets with push act flags and run it against a given PCAP file. What is the number of detected packets? We'll remove the log with RM, followed by the file name. Hit Y for yes. Ls again, you can see it's gone. We'll go ahead and remove the Snort log. 310. And we're going to be using the ACK flag here, non-payload detection rule option. Initialize and run it against task 9. And we get 216 detected packets. Let's go to the next question here. Clear the previous log again. Create a rule filter packets the same source and destination IP and run it against a given PCAP file. What is the number of detected packets? So this is going to be the same IP flag that we'll use. Open the rules again, sudo local rules. We'll change our search for same IP. Same IP, same IP. We'll save the file, run it against task 9 PCAP. Before we do that, let's go ahead and remove the other logs. Just to make things a bit easier. Initialize, and we see 3 alerts. There's a number of detected packets, however. Alright. Thirteen alerts. So next question. Analyst modified an existing rule successfully. Which rule option must the analyst change after the implementation? Looks like 13 actually isn't the answer. We're going to have to change Rev 1 to Rev 2. And this is going to provide us with 10 alerts instead of 13. Machine is expired. And let's modify an existing rule successfully. Which rule option? Let's see here. It's going to be the Rev rule option that we just changed from 1 to 2. This pretty much sums up Snort, how to use it for IDS, IPS mode, as well as packet sniffing and logging. Points to remember. Main components of Snort: packet decoder, pre-processing that arranges and modifies packets for detection engine, the engine, of course, logging and alerting features, as well as outputs and plugins. There's 3 types of rules: community, registered, or subscriber, which would be paid, which would be at like an enterprise level. You can download and read more. The link below. I'll also tell you how to install and which path to take. Looks like we have finished the room, and that is going to conclude the Snort tutorial. In this room we covered Snort, what it is, how it operates, and how to create and investigate threats. Hope you guys enjoyed.